Well, another Trump headline, because Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney is secretly holding direct talks with the US president to work out a framework for a trade and security agreement, the Globe and Mail is reporting. You must note that the talks between the leaders and top cabinet ministers are being held discreetly to ensure a positive outcome. This is what the report highlights, citing the US ambassador to Canada. Maha Siddiqui has been tracking all the finer developments for us. She joins us live from Vancouver at the moment. Maha, so we're given to understand, as per local media, that Canada's Mr. Carney and Trump are holding secret talks on trade and security?
Well, certainly the details of the conversation between Mark Carney and President Trump are being kept under the wraps. And both these leaders are holding direct talks, is what's coming through by way of some sources which are being quoted by the Canadian media, as well as Melanie Joly, the industry minister, has said that these negotiations are not going to happen in public. And we do know through the US ambassador to Canada, he's also spoken out and has indicated that the negotiations are taking place at the topmost level, which means that both these leaders are directly talking to each other. Some other information that is coming through suggests that they have been holding calls in the evenings and also been exchanging text messages as well. And as many people had already said, many experts were pointing out that tariffs are being used by President Trump as a negotiating tool. It appears to be turning out exactly that way, because it appears now, and as per the reports that are coming through, is that a trade agreement may be reached between Canada and the United States ahead of the G7 summit that is being hosted by Canada in the province of Alberta, for which President Trump is traveling to Canada, and that tariffs against Canada could be dropped as this agreement comes through. So clearly, the trade tactic of President Trump seems to have been working with not just Canada, but as we are seeing with some other countries as well. So trade being used as a negotiating tool appears to be working at this moment in favor of the United States.